How to fix Netflix not loading on smart TV or mobile device. Let's get started. First, ensure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. On smart TV, go to network settings and run a connection test. On mobile device, try opening another app or website. If the internet is down or unstable, reset your router and wait 30 seconds before reconnecting. Restart the device you are using. For smart TVs, turn off completely, unplug from power, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. For your mobile device, restart your phone or tablet normally. This simple steps clears temporary memory issues that may block the app. Next up, clear cache. For that, go to Settings, then Apps, then Netflix, then head over to the option Storage, then click on Clear Cache. Next thing you want to do is update your Netflix app. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, then search for the app Netflix. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is sign out of Netflix on all devices. For that, navigate to the accounts page, then click on the option sign out of all devices. This clears any session conflicts that may be interfering. Lastly, completely delete Netflix from your device and again reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Netflix app, click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. Then navigate to Play Store or App Store, search for the app Netflix and then download it. That's it. These steps should fix Netflix not loading on your smart TV or mobile device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.